Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a battle of the bots. The iRobot Roomba J7 versus the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. It's a showdown of suction, a clash of cleaning. Well, you get the idea. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about cleaning technology. The Roomba J7 boasts imprint smart mapping, which means it knows your home better than you do. It even remembers which rooms to avoid, kind of like me avoiding the gym. And with customizable keep-out zones, it won't try to vacuum your sleeping dog's tail. Reviewers love its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition features, making it a reliable choice for homes with complex layouts. On the other side, we have the Roborock Q5 Max Plus with PresaSense LiDAR navigation. This bad boy creates detailed 3D maps of your home. It's like having a tiny, cleaning cartographer. Oh, and it can handle multi-level mapping too. Reviewers appreciate its detailed mapping and effectiveness in keeping floors clean, even in homes with young children. So whether you live in a mansion or a slightly larger mansion, it's got you covered. Next, let's talk suction power. The Roomba J7 has great suction, but the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is like a black hole with its 5,500 PA hyperforce suction. It sucks up dust, debris, and probably your will to procrastinate cleaning. Plus, with its duo roller brush, it tackles pet hair and human hair without getting tangled. Reviewers find the Q5 Max Plus particularly effective for pet owners and those dealing with fine dust and dirt. Meanwhile, the Roomba J7 does well but might need to be emptied multiple times during use, especially if you have pets. Now, who wants to deal with emptying dustbins? Not me, the Roomba J7. Well, it doesn't have a self-emptying feature. Reviewers mention that it fills up quickly with dog hair and needs frequent emptying. But the Roborock Q5 Max Plus? It has a 7-week hands-free cleaning system. That's right, you can avoid dealing with dust for almost 2 months. Reviewers love the convenience of this feature, making it a favorite for those who prefer minimal maintenance. Battery life and coverage are next. The Roomba J7 is great, but the Roborock Q5 Max Plus can run for up to 240 minutes and cover a whopping 3,767 square feet. It's like the marathon runner of vacuums. Meanwhile, the Roomba J7 is more like a sprinter. Quick and efficient, but maybe needs a few breaks. Reviewers highlight the Q5 Max Plus's impressive battery life and extensive coverage, making it ideal for larger homes. And finally, let's talk smart features. The Roomba J7 has iRobot Genius, so it can start cleaning when you leave and stop when you come back. It's like having a cleaning ninja. But the Roborock Q5 Max Plus? It syncs with Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. Just say the magic word, and boom, it's cleaning. Reviewers appreciate the ease of integration with smart home systems, making the Q5 Max Plus a tech-savvy choice. Overall, reviewers find the iRobot Roomba J7 to be intelligent and efficient, especially with its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition. However, it requires frequent emptying, especially in homes with pets. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, detailed mapping, and convenient self-emptying feature, making it a favorite for larger homes and tech enthusiasts. So there you have it. The iRobot Roomba J7 is perfect for those who want a smart, efficient cleaning companion. But if you're looking for the ultimate hands-free, powerful, and tech-savvy vacuum, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your decisions smarter. Product links are in the description.